All right, mates, we're here with another review today, and today we're gonna be reviewing this fucking toaster. It's a Sunbeam Toaster slash grill pane. I guess you grill pane in this shit by Sunbeam Products Incorporated from Boca Raton, Florida. Here's the model number if you want to get yourself one of these bad boys. But we're going to be looking at the 5 facets of critical function today. The first is functionality. Like it looks here, it's got 2 little ports. You can put the bread in here and make 2 pieces of toast. You push down here and you select how hot you want it and whether you want a fucking bagel or whether you want nothing. But I mean, I haven't made any toast in this yet because all the outlets in the fucking Airbnb we're staying in are sketchy. But I think it does its job pretty well. I mean, it makes fucking toast. That's really all it does. But I mean, that's what you want out of a toaster, right, mate? Although I'm a little bit disturbed by the lack of options here. You got a bagel or fucking nothing. So because of that, I think I'm probably just going to give it a 5 rather than something higher. 5 out of 10 for functionality. The next is durability. And, you know, I was thinking about what would make a fucking toaster durable. What the fuck? I don't know what this is. I hope it's supposed to come out. But I was thinking about what would make a toaster durable. And, you know, I just couldn't think of anything. But then I looked at the fucking outlet it had been plugged into, right, mate? And the fact that this toaster has survived the disgusting-ass, boof-ass electrical wiring that's been done in this Airbnb is insane. And so for that, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10 for durability. Just a real champ right here. It's a winner. All right, now we're talking about style. I don't think you can wear this. I don't think you're going to take it out in the town with you unless you got some sort of portable electrical plug. And then you could make toast on the go, but you'd look kind of weird walking around with a fucking toaster oven. So I think I'm going to give this one a solid 0. And now for the final, oh fuck, what are we on, mate? We talked about style. We talked about durability. We talked about functionality. Did we talk about craftsmanship yet? Oh, fuck, mate. So we got craftsmanship right. I mean, this shit, it's pretty good. I mean, I don't know much about Sunbeam Products Incorporated, but, I mean, it looks decent. It's got nice little branding here and, you know, nice little options over here. I really like the way this looks, this nice metal look here. It tells you exactly what the toast does. It just comes up and goes, boop. Just like it tells you right there. I'm going to give this a solid 9 out of 10. As you can see, there's some rust here, so that kind of takes away from the craftsmanship. All right, Max, you want to hit us the wild card?
So, wild card, right. So, you got 2 slots, right? That's fucking big, wide open space for dipping, right? You could fill this pupper up all the way to the fucking top with dip spit. And if we fucking flip it over, where's the bottom? Flip it over other side, right? You can remove that shit, then drain the dip spit out the back. Now, this might fuck up the electrical wiring, and, I mean, like, so it can mess up your wiring, and then, like, it probably will make your toast taste like dip. So, originally, that's minus pushing the fucking craftsmanship right there.
Craftsmanship drops down to a -4 now, mate. -4 out of 10.
So, craftsmanship's fucked. But if we're going to talk about dip spit review, like, let's be real. I mean, the wild card review, not dip spit review. I swear it's not all about dip. That's going to get you fucking minus points straight off the bat. If it wasn't for the fact that your toast is going to taste like dip, I'd probably have to give it 49 out of 72. But the fact
That's fair.
It has, it's going to make your toast smell like fucking dip, that makes it down all the way to a fucking -12 out of 412. So
jeez. What a terrible score.
I mean, you can use it as a dip spitter. Don't get me wrong, but like, you're fucking it. I'm sorry, you're fucked.
You're fucked.
If it turns out that you try and use it as a dip spitter, sorry, mate. It's a one-time use. Then it changes from toaster to dip spitter, which makes all the other rest of this review fucking
inconsequential,
irrelevant, not important. Just like the toaster. Goodbye.